If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Motorola Edge 70, then the answer seems to be quite clear. The Motorola Edge 70 can be charged by using 68 watts. So if you have a power adapter that has 68 watts, then you should be able to use it in order to charge Edge 70 and get the fastest charging speed possible. Now, ideally you want to get, of course, the original Motorola charger. However, if you decide to purchase any other well-known brand, then you should be pretty happy with the results as well. It doesn't really matter that much in this case if you get the original Motorola charger or not, but ideally you want to still get like a well-known brand just in case, of course. And as I said, we have 68 watts of charging wired, so if you have a 68 watts charger or more, then it should be, well, it's pretty much the best choice that you can get for this phone. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course remember about the port. If you want to use the original cable, then you need to have USB-C port on the charger or power adapter. And if you don't mind switching to another cable, then of course it doesn't matter that much. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.